Have you ever been out and about, and your little one suddenly needs a bandage, but all you have is a crumpled tissue in your bag? Well, let me tell you, I've been there. And that's exactly why I'm obsessed with the KeepGoing Small Travel First Aid Kit. So what makes this kit a game changer? It's a first aid kit, but not just any first aid kit. This one is compact, cute, and packed with 60 essential items, all in a tiny, TSA-Approved case that easily fits in your purse, diaper bag, or backpack. I love it because it's made by a mom for moms. It's like someone finally understood that when you're juggling kids, snacks, and everything else, you need something lightweight, organized, and ready for those everyday ouchies. Plus, the case is stain and water resistant, so it holds up no matter where life takes you. Whether it's a scraped knee at the park, a paper cut at school, or even an unexpected wardrobe malfunction, yes, it has a sewing kit. This little kit has you covered. It even includes non-sting cleaning wipes and a tick remover. What I love the most about it, first of all, it's cute. Seriously, there are so many designs to choose from, so it doesn't feel like you're carrying around a boring medical box. It's also kid-friendly. Those latex-free bandages come with adorable designs that make boo-boo time a little less stressful and a lot more fun. The thoughtful extras like lip balm and nosebleed plugs, game changers. And the first aid guide included in the kit is perfect for anyone who might need a little reminder of what to do in a pinch. As a caring grandparent, this kit has given me so much peace of mind. It's not just for kids either. This is a must-have for busy families, whether you're at home, on vacation, or just running errands. It's FSA and HSA eligible too, so it's a practical buy that doesn't break the bank. This first aid kit makes it so easy to keep going, no matter what the day throws at you. Whether it's for travel, home, or your everyday bag, it's a tiny lifesaver that's big on convenience and care.